Guys, can you see me? We're back with another video. Today we're gonna make a excuse me. My second bit. We're back with my second video. Like, bruh, my other channel is in the link below. Like right here, Justin Broyo. Check that channel out. It's pretty good. It's my channel. Get it? My name is Justin, and you guys are my Hollywood. So, the first thing we're gonna do is make a game. Now, obviously. So, the step 1 is to make a game. Step 2 is to make a game, and step 3, the most important part, is to make a game. So, all these 3 steps you gotta know. So yeah, let's get started on making a game. I can't believe we're already past 1 minute. So you could use Struct, any kind of app on your device. I'm using Game Guru. I didn't buy it because I'm on vacation. Now I'll make more videos when I get in America, but for now I'm on vacation. So I'm on vacation. That means that I can't. What am I even saying? Okay, whatever. I'm on my vacation. When I get to America, I could sign in my account, Marcos Info Yash. You guys don't know the password, so that's good. So yeah, here we have. I didn't buy it, so I don't have a lot of stuff, but whatever. I got it on the internet, and hopefully I don't have viruses. So my game is going to be about zombies. I hate it. Zombies! Did you hear that? Do not get bit. This game, it's really important for you guys. Yeah, so first thing I want to do is to make a game. I don't even know what I'm saying because I have to say something. Where is it? Oh, here. But first let me use this. Okay, so we're going to have a wall. Like some walls, you know. You need to make some walls. You heard me? So I'm not talking loud because I don't want to. As I was saying, you could press R to rotate the object in this game. I'm not doing a tutorial, so what am I saying? Why am I talking? I mean, like, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna make a huge path. Like that. Okay, let's start. Here's maybe the road. Okay, there. Now I just gotta make this. Now to make here the end. So you can press R to rotate in this game. Oh my god, dude, seriously. Are you kidding me? But we're gonna have to put some guns. Right there. First let me just make what? Yeah. So you can make like stories in your game. I'm gonna show you how. So let's just make this huge road. There, so you could see that it's a road. Is it flying? No, I'm not sure. So you could press C to crouch and to go slower when you're flying. I mean, control you could press when you're flying. You could press Control to go slow and press Shift to go fast. So, let's get back to my game. And yeah, let's make the wall. So, boom. And boom! That's that simple to make a game. It's super easy. This is like part 1. I'm gonna make more parts, guys. And also, I will also make a tutorial on Justin Broyo. Check my other channel out. Yeah. connect the roads. Yeah. Just connect. Do that. And then go. Why aren't you? Sometimes it's kind of annoying. There. Now let's go where my game is. So the first thing, the really important is the player start, the player checkpoint, cover zone, multiplayer. What's really the most important is the player start. If you're making a single player, if you're making a multiplayer, then the most important is multiplayer. The win zone isn't that important, but yeah. So let's make the win zone. I'm gonna put it like right there. Wait, no. Let me just. Why won't you rotate? Oh my gosh, whatever. So let's just go like that. Bam, 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 and bam. There's a win zone. Now let's spawn the guns. So I'm gonna make cool details. So if you wanna, why won't I go to entity? Oh yeah, I'm right on entities. So I'm gonna go to boxes and press the supply drop. And just like make cool details. There. And then and I'm gonna put ammunition on the supply drops. There. So we have 4 supply drops. So now let's put the guns. Put the weapons. Since I didn't buy the game, I don't have all the weapons. But when I get in America, I'm gonna buy the game on Steam. Cause I have a gift card, which I almost wasted. I still have. So I'm gonna buy it. It's like $20. So yeah, let's spawn the pistol. I'm just putting the pistol now. Let's put that. And now I'm gonna put more ammo over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go to this one. I'm gonna put an Uzi. The shotgun is like the second strongest gun. The first is like the RPG. The third is grenades. But the dagger might be like, no, the dagger or something is. No, I'm not talking about melee weapons. So let's put 2 Uzi ammo. Some Uzi. Why won't they? Where is that Uzi ammo? I need some Uzi ammo. 2, 3, and then this supply drop, there's supply box and it'd be more pistol ammo. And then here it'd be more Uzi ammo. Okay. So now I did everything. The last thing I have to do is put the zombies. The final thing. I'm gonna put the slow zombies. I mean, you could put them, but they're really dumb. They don't go towards you. They go towards the walls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put zombie. I'm gonna put this one and put the female zombie. There, now we have the male zombie. Let's put. I'm gonna put 10 zombies. 5 boys, 5 girls. So 1 girl, 1 boy. 2 boys, 2 girls, 3 boys, 3 girls, and 4 boys, 4 girls. Final